What is up YouTube? Today I am going to show you how to watch movies on your iPhone for free. So first of all, open Safari and head over to this link which I'll be giving you in the description. iOS emulatorspot.com. Head over to this website, then click select page, then go to download, then scroll down till you see this icon. Click on this icon, then click again, click install, and it's downloading. Once it's finished downloading, click open. It will ask you to trust the developer, then go to setting, then journal, then scroll down until you find device management, then click on this profile, then click on trust again, go back to the app, open it. Okay, here it is. Now you can watch all the movies you want. Click on any movie you want to watch. Click this one, click watch. Skip the ad. See, it's working. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click subscribe. I'll bring you more videos every day. Peace.